Hi everyone, I am really excited today because I'm going to be showing you Charlotte's new limited edition Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray with white tea of barley. I know how obsessed you all are with the original Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I know the travel size literally sold out within 24 hours. This is literally light as air, it's oil free, it's alcohol free, it sets makeup, it also stops your makeup from fading or melting or setting into fine lines up to 16 hours. And it's packed with amazing ingredients like aloe vera to help calm and soothe, antioxidant Japanese green tea for soft and supple feeling skin. This gorgeous limited edition setting spray has a uplifting, mood boosting aroma. Scent is really important for your mood. It's like the magic of aromatherapy. It makes you feel refreshed, revived. So I think this is a great way to take a moment and set your intentions for the day. It has notes of amber, white musk, jasmine, white tea, and rose, so you can set your makeup and uplift your mood for the day. Stay tuned to find out how it works. Today I'm going to be showing you 4 ways to use this airbrush setting spray, and the first one is how to prime. I've already prepped my skin with Charlotte's amazing skincare. I've used her serum, her under eye rescue, her magic cream. Now I'm going to be using airbrush flawless setting spray all over my face. Hold the bottle 8 inches away from your face and just mist it all over. Using it to prime is a really great way to extend the life of your makeup, especially if you've got oily skin or you live in a humid climate or you just want your makeup to last all day. It gives you that gorgeous double layer of flawless protection. It's so uplifting and refreshing in the morning. It's like a face mist, and it works so well with my airbrush makeup. Next, I'm going to be using the AFF family. I love this foundation. This is where skincare really meets makeup. It's a full coverage matte foundation. A little bit goes a long way. It suits oily skin, it suits dry skin. I like to use it for any redness I need to conceal or any blemishes. I'm using shade 5 Neutral. What I like to do is kind of just apply it around my cheeks, my nose. You can see how that's instantly kind of just taken away any redness that I've got. And then I just buff it in, but you can see I just used a really tiny amount. But I love the way this kind of just lasts all day, this foundation. Next, I'm going to be using the Magic Away Concealer, which I love. And I'm going to use this just kind of underneath my eyes. I like to use it for like any under eye dark circles or my smile lines here, but I kind of use Magic Away to really kind of brighten up any areas that need a bit of uplifting. So I always like to go to just a lighter shade, and it really is the product that I love to always carry around in my bag as well. Next thing I'm using is one of my absolute favorites. If you know me, you know I love this powder, and this is just a great way to kind of set your makeup in place, take away any of that unwanted shine, especially down the T-zone. It also really helps to kind of brighten up your T-zone, and it's not like a normal powder because it's got things like sweet almond oil and rose wax, which keeps the powder really hydrated and you don't look talky or chalky or cakey. It's just the best powder. Next product I'm using is the Aff Bronzer. This is like summertime in a palette. We all need a bit of summertime at the moment. The way I like to use this is I like to go in with my Airbrush. I'm using shade 2. And what I like to do is suck in my cheekbones and then follow the hollow. And really just kind of buff that out. And this brush really does all the work for you. This is also a matte bronzer, so you can create great definition with this. It also has hyaluronic acid in it. There we go. And to put a bit more glow into my skin, I'm using the Hollywood Flawless filter, which again, this is one of my go-to products. It's kind of like a facial in a bottle, and it's kind of like a social media filter in a bottle. It just adds this insane glow. I'm just gonna pop a bit of this on to my cheekbones, but it just kind of gives the most natural looking glow to the skin. And then a bit down my nose, like so. So I've just finished my brows, and my second tip with the setting spray is using it to intensify. So when using this with your favorite eyeshadow palette, it really enhances the color and gives you more control in creating a liner look. Simply get your blender brush and mist this over. I'm using the Super Nude palette, and I'm going with the cool tones, and just swipe it across your eye. And I'm just using this shade all over the lid. And this is just a really easy light shade that really helps to just kind of prime your eyes. Going with your smaller brush, apply it underneath. Next shade I'm going to use is the Cool shade. And these are real kind of like supermodel 90s shades, I'd say. I'm going to go for more of a cool eye. This is just a great kind of everyday shade. I've just popped on my favorite lashes and I'm just going to top that with some mascara. Okay guys, so the eye look is done and I'm loving the way this is looking. I'm going to be putting on one of my favorite lip liners, which is Pillow Talk Medium 2. And I like to kind of cheat the way of my lip. And this is just a great everyday lip liner. And now I'm going to be using the Hyaluronic Happy Kiss in Crystal Happy Kiss, which honestly, it's one of my favorite shades from the new Happy Kiss collection. So I'm going to apply this on top. And you can see how that instantly just kind of hydrates my lips. So to complete the look, I'm just going to add a bit of First Love blush onto my cheeks. Next, I'm going to set my makeup in place with the Airbrush setting spray. Immediately, this makes my makeup look fresh and flawless with a natural dewy glow. I love that it doesn't feel heavy or sticky on the skin, and it doesn't smudge my eye makeup, which I love, and it keeps all the colors and the shades really vibrant throughout the whole day. As you can see, my complexion is flawless and poreless, flawless before and flawless after. The other tip that I love to do is refresh my makeup. So throughout the day, I like to reapply the setting spray to keep my makeup looking really fresh and just applied. It's so cooling, and that gorgeous scent is just an instant mood boost. Guys, I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial of this look. I really enjoyed creating this and using Charlotte's new Airbrush setting spray. Remember, you can swipe up to get your new Airbrush Flawless setting spray with white tea of barley. It honestly is such an amazing setting spray and it really uplifts your mood. So have a lovely day and thank you for watching. Lots of love.